Hi guys, I'm Soumya Srivastav, the founder of Cyril, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you all again. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Do you not want to see this pretty face again? And you're already a subscriber. Thank you for staying with me and watching my videos and continuing to loving and supporting me. It means a lot. So I'm wearing yet another top from our new launch, my own collection. Like, it never gets old. I can never stop saying my brand. So yeah, this is our sorbet top, and when I saw the fabric I knew it had potential, but this much, like, it looks absolutely beautiful. Look at this collar detail, the bow and everything. Obsessed is the least I can say. And look how good it looks on the brown skin, especially with all the gold jewelry. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And I'm also wearing my new shoes I got on my birthday, and it really matches so well with the outfit. I think I'm very happy with how my look has turned out today. So I'm gonna do my makeup with you all, and I'm gonna do some gupshup and rant like I do all the time. So take some popcorn, take some cold drink, and sit down. Let's talk. Okay, so this is my third day in Bombay and the last day as well, because I have a flight tomorrow at 1, and I'm so sad to be leaving so soon, but I feel like I am happy that I did this because I am doing things for the first time. Like, मेरी पूरी blood line में जो चीज़ें किसी ने नहीं करी है ना, वो मैं कर रही हूँ. Like, imagine how lucky I have to be able to experience all of this. And मेरी जो पुरानी generations होंगी ना, वो मुझे ऐसे देख रही होंगी. Oh my God, she went out alone without a husband. Oh my gosh, she's wearing that, and I'm so happy about that because they couldn't have imagined that this would be possible one day, because they were not as privileged as I am. And I'm so happy to see that everything that happened, even with people who came before me, led to this. So I hope all the women before me in my bloodline are actually happy and proud to see me do everything on my own and turn out to be so independent, because they never got a chance to. And I hope I'm making all of them proud, especially my grandmother, because she passed away last year. And there are so many times that I wish कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ, काश वो होती देखने के लिए, because she was always very proud of me. I am not very good at communication, but every time I told her something, she was just happy and very proud of me, which is a rare thing to see in Indian families, especially with your grandmothers. And I could never ever agree with people who would always bitch about their grandmothers कि मेरी दादी ऐसी है, मेरी दादी वैसी है, मेरी ऐसी है. And I was like, girl, are you okay? Because मेरी दादी भाई बहुत ही अच्छी थी. She was very loving, she was very kind, she was very helpful, and she was always there. And that is what matters. As a family, I think she was the glue that held every one of us together, and she was there for literally everyone. So I'm happy that I had someone like her in my life, and I know that अगर वो मुझे देख रही होती ना कि I'm doing so good on my own, I think she would be very proud of me. I think I'm actually very obsessed with this product. Like, it's just that good. I did not know Masaba could do a makeup line this good, but she did. I'm obsessed with everything except the lipsticks. I absolutely hate the lipsticks. They're very drying, but everything else 10 on 10. Masaba game is literally on, and मैंने अभी recently Masaba की series भी देखी है, तो I did not like the series that much because उसमें ना ending में मुझे ना समझ नहीं आता कि ये लोग ऐसे टाइम पे छोड़ देते हैं जहाँ पे इंसान किलस जाए. Because I felt like मैंने उसकी ना personal life in the series I have seen more instead of a business line, and as a fashion founder I'm more keen to watch how she held her business, how she grew it, what was her ideology behind it, her inspirations, and that is what I'm interested in. But I did not get to see that. All I saw was a messy personal life, which I get, everyone has that, but I wanted to see something more, like what her brand is all about, and I think that would have been really great. Are you seeing how quickly I switched topics? 1 minute I'm talking about my grandmother, second I'm talking about a series about Masaba. I mean, what? जब मैं rant करती हूँ ना, तो ऐसे होता है, जो मेरे दिमाग में होगा वो मेरी जुबान पे होगा. मैं कुछ भी बोल दूँगी, कोई भी टॉपिक चलेगा. It is very therapeutic for me to rant. I love talking. Talking is my one outlet that I absolutely love. And there are so many topics that I could just endlessly talk about. One is myself. I love talking about myself because I'm just that interesting. And one thing I love about myself is my goals, my ambitions, and that is something I really like talking about, especially to people who are high achievers. And recently I've realized that I want to be around high achievers. I want my friend circle to be all businessmen, founders, CEOs, and that is something I really want. When I say businessmen, I really mean businesswomen. And recently I did a pop-up at Sarvodaya Enclave Roastery Cafe, and it was amazing. I met so many women founders, and that is the kind of circle I really want to have. They had so much to discuss. There were so many things. They talked about supplying, packaging, how vendors happen, what men tell you every time you tell them you're a founder, and it was a great discussion to have. I want to be around more women like that because it honestly makes me feel motivated as well. It makes me feel like I'm happy around these women. It makes me feel like I can do more, and it makes me feel so proud of them. Those are a lot of feelings, I know, but it's just there, guys. Seeing women achieve everything in their life after everything that people before us went through, especially women before us went through, to be able to get us this spot in life, this opportunities in life, is amazing. Because I'm so proud and grateful for all the women who came before me, all the feminists who came before me. Because अगर वो नहीं होती ना, तो मैं एक नए शहर में अकेले बैठ के यहाँ पे वीडियो नहीं बना पा रही होती, मैं अपना ओपिनियन नहीं दे रही होती, मेरे पे अपना बैंक अकाउंट नहीं होता, मेरे पे अपनी वोटर आईडी नहीं होती, मेरे पे अपनी कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं होती. It is because of all the women that came before me, all the feminists that came before me, that fight for my right to be here, and I'm going to make the best out of that opportunity because that is what matters. I know that all the feminists before me are really proud of me because of everything I'm doing and everything I'm achieving, and I'm trying to help more people do it. Every time I try to post something, I try to encourage girls, I try to target girl audience so that they have someone who is very unapologetic in who they are. I am a very unapologetic person. मैं जैसी हूँ मैं वैसी ही हूँ. Yes, if something hurts you, if something bothers you, if I do something to hurt someone I really love, that is something that I will change. But as a person, I am just this. I'm loud, I'm messy, I'm carefree, I'm hyper independent, I'm high functioning, I'm highly ambitious, and that is who I am. I love being that, and I wouldn't change that for anyone because at the end of the day, you have to live with yourself. People will come, people will go, but you have to live with yourself at the end of the day. So it's very important that you love yourself first. Everything else will keep on happening. Like I said, switching topics in 0.1 second, like that is just my talent. Also obsessed with this blush, like it also matches with my top. How cute. It would be a good accessory for a photo shoot. So Earth Rhythm, reach out to me. But this shade, this blush, the formula, everything about it is honestly amazing. Especially अगर आपकी dry skin है ना, you're going to love this because as someone with highly drought like face, I need something like this because cream products keep me stable. Those are the products that keep me happy in the summers because summers में ना I want a very dewy face. Okay, so I love using a blush like this. This one is absolutely favorite, especially the color. Oh my god, this color gives me life. Literally the color of love, the color of blood. I love this color. Oh my god. And I'm also realizing how happy I am today क्योंकि मैं कभी इतनी cheery होके वीडियो तो नहीं बनाती हूँ, but today I'm actually very happy because I'm happy about my outfit, I'm happy about my life and everything I'm doing. Plus my brand is getting a great response on the new launch, which I'm also very happy about because that is what matters. I'm trying to support women. Okay, for me, women empowerment is the first and the most important thing that I will ever do. So I'm trying to have an all women's employees and staff and everything. I'm trying to help freelancers. Even when I'm hiring freelancers, I'm trying to go with women so that I get to play my part in feminism. I get to have these micro acts of feminism, which actually makes me very happy because at the end of the day, this is the barrier for men and this is the barrier for women. Men have to jump like this and women have to jump like this. So if I see a woman jumping this high and coming out to the other side, I'm going to make sure that I help her. I am going to make sure that I am connected with her because women overcome so many barriers to be independent, to have this level of decision making because women are always doubted in their fields. Every time a woman says something in anything, यार हर industry में है. Every industry is man-made and every time a woman says something, puts her point of view out there, even if it's backed by facts, there is going to be a man who doubts her. And there's going to be women holding the flag of patriarchy, doubting her, bringing her down. It's very important that all my feminist women support each other. Being a girl's girl is so important in 2026 because in a lot of ways our society is going backwards, we are going regressive, and it's up to us that we make the change, that we don't let it happen, because women before us, like I said, fought a lot for us to be here. So if you're a woman, you have a platform, you have a voice, you have an opinion, it is because of all the feminists before you. And if you feel like that, oh my god, my content is fashion, I don't want to talk about politics, fashion is political, art is political, and you just talking about yourself, giving your opinion out there, it is political, because as a woman you were not allowed to do that. So it is a tribute to all the women who fought on your behalf. So just stand up, yaar. It's 2026, you can't be neutral at all, because there is so much happening in the world. There are people literally dying for their rights, and you're talking about, oh, I just post about fashion, it's not my niche. Girl, it's embarrassing. It's literally embarrassing. So I think feminism is one of the topics I can endlessly talk about, because there are so many people who say we don't need feminism. Why do we need feminism anymore? It's 2026, we don't need feminism anymore. We don't need feminism anymore? Are you really talking like that? It's 2026, yes, but people are still regressive, people are still downwards, outright disgusting. And when an MLA, someone in power, can just say openly in the parliament that if rape is inevitable, just lie down and enjoy it. And there are so many gurus, these babas, these dhongis, and a lot of people who are just going on saying rape to kapdo ki wajah se hota hai. These are the people in 2026, and you want to tell me that feminism is not required? Abhi bhi child marriage is happening. Abhi bhi people have multiple wives. Abhi bhi there are so many things that are going wrong in the society, and you are telling me that feminism is not important. Like every time someone says that to me, I just want to smack the living shit out of them. That is how angry it makes me, because men will never know what it is like to be a woman. Every woman in your life, every single woman in your life has a story. Literally every single one has been slut shamed, every single woman has been harassed, everyone has been catcalled. And every time you ask your mother ki mama, did this happen to you, I think 90% of women say ye to bahut normal hai, because that is literally how men behave in this generation. And that is how men have behaved in all the generations. They have always treated women like objects, and it's high time we start changing that, because feminism still has a long way to go. There are still so many things that needs to be changed, and these things really should be better for our next generation. Because I don't want to tell my daughter that you can't go out because men can't keep it in their pants. You can't go out and you can't stay out late because men are disgusting creatures. I know not all men. Of course I know not all men, but I don't know all men. Because अगर मेरे सामने 10 मर्द खड़े हैं, उसमें से 2 अच्छे हैं, तो मैं कैसे बताऊंगी कि कौन से 2 अच्छे हैं? क्योंकि जब मेरे साथ कुछ गलत होगा, everyone will come and say कि तेरी गलती है, तू वहां क्यों गई थी, तूने ये क्यों पहना था, तूने उस पर ट्रस्ट क्यों किया. एवरी टाइम कोई हेडलाइन होती है ना, इट्स नेवर अ मैन किडनैप्ड अ वुमन, अ वुमन वाज किडनैप्ड. This is the headline. We are so submissive, we are so passive about what is happening in our own country. We are not seeking out the correct people to blame. When big influencers are so illiterate that they come on their live streams and say कि women के पीछे भागो आप रात को, वो आपसे डरेंगी, ये वो, like this is what they are saying on live stream in front of thousands of people, instigating them to actually harass women. This is what they are doing. This is the level of men that we are making famous, that we are putting in power. You know what I actually loved about the whole controversy is how so many men came forward to take a stand against him. That was one thing that I saw. And मुझे पता है, like I said, not all men. I know not all men. But there are so many men who make everyone look so bad that I can't trust them. When I have had so many experiences with so many men, I know that I can't trust anyone. I know that even if someone is doing something good today, even if I see a man behaving in a certain way which is good, I don't know if I can trust him, because sometimes it's just an act. I have been catcalled so many times. I was wearing a suit, I was wearing a sari, I was wearing a skirt. I can be wearing anything, and I've been called, I have been stared at, I have been looked at by Turkey uncles, you know. Matlab, you are like 50. You are like my father's age and you're looking at me like that, which is purely disgusting. And then people have the audacity to say that कि लड़कियों की गलती होती है. I'm sorry, but if your sons cannot help themselves, you should keep them locked in your homes, and then world might be safer for women out there. The reason I'm not scared to say all of this is because I know that around me I have good people, even good men, and that is the only reason I still believe that men are redeemable, because I have met so many of them who are just downright gentlemen, who knows right from wrong, and they can't be swayed at all, which is honestly gorgeous, because men know how to behave. But I don't know, for some reason they have this entitlement, especially the men who have been incels their whole life and been the Raja Beta of the family. They have this entitlement that they can do anything to anyone, and that is something that really needs to change for the next generation. And everything that I said in this video should be very eye-opening for all the men and the women, that what is happening. And I'm not trying to hate on anyone. The truth is that world's gonna change on its own someday, and someday women are gonna realize that enough. Because right now women want equality. Someday women will want revenge, and right now you're trying to oppress them even more because they want equality. You're trying to make fun of it, you're trying to diminish it, or you're trying to use it to your advantage. But there is going to be a time when women realize कि यार हो गया, हमें equality नहीं चाहिए, हमें revenge चाहिए, and that is the day that you don't want to see come. We already know what is happening in Korea, the 4B movement. उनके birth rates इतने नीचे चले गए हैं that the country is going to be extinct soon. And that is something that going to be happen all around the globe, because you can't treat women like people. And it is not just men, it is also women who uphold misogyny, women who uphold patriarchy. You are the worst enemy, okay? Because you can fight men, you can't fight women who uphold misogyny, because at the end of the day they are backed by cultural trauma. They are backed by people who have no limits to how disgusting their minds can be. So it's very good to stay away from these people, and I would rather do that. ये मैंने क्या किया है? ये मैं क्या लग रही हूँ? I think that's enough for today. I have done a lot. I have literally boiled my blood thinking all of that. मुझे ना actual में बहुत गुस्सा आता है. It makes me feel very emotional. It makes me feel a lot of rage when I talk about these things. Because जब मैं ये सब देखती हूँ, जब मैं इस सब के बारे में पढ़ती हूँ ना, it makes me feel so sad that I'm not at a stage where I can actually help these women out. Because I know that even though there are certain segments of the society that are progressing, there are 70% that are still struggling to even get their basic rights. And I hope that really changes, because I want women to experience the life to the full, because there is so much in the world. There is so many things to see, so many things to do, so many dreams and goals to chase, and I hope every woman gets to live that. And I think one thing I have also realized, life is a lot bigger than you will ever realize, because people are so stuck in their own problems. Like, मैं भी हमेशा अपने बारे में ही सोचती हूँ यार, but when you actually go out in the world and see what others are going through, it makes you feel a lot privileged and makes you realize कि भाई मैं बेवकूफ़ हूँ कि मैं अपनी problems के बारे में इतना क्यों सोच रहा हूँ, मैं इतना क्यों परेशान हो रहा हूँ, when there are people who are struggling so much to even eat food. I mean, that actually puts a lot of things in your perspective कि भाई I need to be more grateful, I need to be more active, more productive, and do better things in my life with the opportunities I have been given. See, I have so much advice to give. मतलब मेरे में कितना ज्ञान है, मैं तो ये देख रही हूँ. अब आगे मैं अपनी फालतू बातों पे फिर से. I only have 2 modes. ठीक है, या तो मैं इतनी समझदारों वाली बात कर दूंगी कि तुम्हें लगेगा कि ओ माय गॉड, या फिर मैं इतनी बेवकूफ़ वाली बात कर दूंगी तुम्हें लगेगा ओ माय गॉड. बस मेरे 2 ही मोड्स हैं, मेरा और कोई मोड नहीं है. बट इट्स एक्चुअली फन टू लिव लाइफ ऑन दिस एज, कि इतना एज या फिर इतना एज. इट्स फन. ऑल्सो in Bombay I take sunscreen very seriously. I can actually fuck with my life, but I can't fuck with my sunscreen because भाई वो sunburn भूली नहीं हूँ मैं. हर वीडियो में टॉक करूँगी मैं उसके बारे में, because मुझे आज भी उसका दर्द याद है, वो मेरे दिल से कभी जाएगा नहीं. Also guys, आप ये देखो यार, ये कितनी मस्त चीज़ है. पहले तो आप इसके ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स चेकआउट करो. अब देखना भाई, ये मेरी स्किन को ऐसे बिल्कुल चमका देता है ना, जैसे मैं एडवर्ड हूँ ट्वाइलाइट से. मतलब भाई स्प्रे नहीं आया, वो ना थोड़ा स्पिट्स टाइप आया और वो पर्दे पे चला गया. ठीक है, मेरे पर्दे थोड़ी हैं, जिसके हैं वो देखे. ऑल्सो भाई मुझे ये समझ आ गया कि मैं नहीं बनी हूँ BNB में रहने के लिए। मैं अगली बार कहीं भी जाऊँगी मैं होटल में रुकूंगी भाई, बिकॉज सेल्फ सर्विस नहीं होती यार मेरे से। इट इज़ सो हार्ड, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मुझे चाहिए होता है कि भाई अगर मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ तो कोई एटलीस्ट पीछे से झाड़ू तो मार दे और मेरा बेड तो ठीक कर दे थोड़ा, बट यहाँ पे वो चीज़ नहीं है, विच आई डोंट रियली लाइक, एंड आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट द हाइजीन, सो आई एम रियली नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट दैट। बट ठीक है यार, आई हैव टू मेक डू, बिकॉज बहुत ही ज़्यादा लास्ट मिनट ट्रिप थी है, तो मैं इससे ज़्यादा ऑप्शन थे नहीं मेरे पे, तो आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है भाई मिल रहा है ना, काफ़ी है। हाँ बट ठीक है यार, ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस में क्या ही बोलूँ, बुरा तो नहीं है, अच्छा ही रहा है मेरा ओवरऑल ट्रिप का एक्सपीरियंस। तो आई एम नॉट गोना लेट एनी थिंग डिग्रेड दैट। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट एवरीथिंग दैट्स बिन गोइंग ऑन इन द लास्ट 3 days। एंड ठीक है यार, थोड़ा सा मौसम ही तो ख़राब है यहाँ पे, इतनी गर्मी हो रही है कि मेरी लाश में से मेरी आत्मा बाहर निकल चुकी है। आपको शायद व्लॉग भी वही बनाती हुई दिख रही होगी। But okay guys, so this is the complete makeup look. Pretty तो मैं लगी रही हूँ as usual. मेकअप गेम तो मेरा 10 on 10 है, और आउटफिट गेम भी 10 on 10 है। देख रहे हो, चेक कर रहे हो वीरे। So thank you for watching this video and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye.